Hello there. Today I'm going to be talking about snoring. Lovely subject, but yes, the reason I'm talking about snoring is because my husband never used to snore, but over the last 2 years he has started snoring for some unknown reason or another, and he used to get a good night's sleep and I didn't, basically. So I thought there must be something out there that we can try. I know there's some awful things like you put up your nose and things like this, which I wouldn't want to be putting things up my nose to stop me from snoring. But I came across this watch, and basically it's called a Relax Snore Stopper. Show you the box here. It's a close-up. Relax Snore Stopper, and there's the picture of the watch, the picture of it being worn, obviously, and I'll show you the actual item. Right, basically there it is, one watch with Velcro on the side so you can adjust it, and that slots in there, and pop your arm in and adjust it to whichever is comfortable for you. You've got to bear in mind that you're going to be sleeping in this, so you don't want it too tight. So yeah, right, that's the watch. Now I'll give you a close-up and just run through you a little bit about it. Right, firstly you've got the small little black dot at the top there. That is your decibel pick. It picks up your decibels, or the noise of your snore, and then what that actually does is send you've got 2 electrodes on the back here. It then sends some electric magnetic pulses into your arm to basically disturb you. It doesn't, well, depending on what height you have or adjust the item to, you've got an adjustment on here which is from 0 to 10, so obviously you want something which will suit you. Obviously if you're going to have it on 10, it will probably wake you up. Somewhere around 1 probably won't have an effect, so you want something in between which will just disturb you, not wake you up, but just disturb you enough for you to roll over on your side or your back or your stomach or whatever. Just something to disturb you a little bit to stop the snoring. So you would have to find out which was good for you. So that's the little mark at the top there, the little dot, that picks up the decibels. Well, like I said, at the bottom here you have your dial, which is 0 to 10, which obviously you need to adjust to suit your own needs. In the middle you have a button which you hold on for 3 seconds. That actually turns the machine on or off. If I can get it close enough, I'll show you. There, just under my finger, you'll see a light, a red light. That is telling me that it's just turned off. Obviously the watch was on, and the red light now shows that it's off. So for it to be turned on, it needs to be green. I'll do my best here. It's a very pale green, so you need to just look at just under my finger. Yeah. I'll do it again. It is a very faint green light. It's obviously not going to work. Right, there's the red light. It obviously is very pale. I can't get it to come up onto the camera. Right, there's the red light. There's the green light. I did see it then. So the green light is now actually saying it's on. Basically that's all the watch. There's nothing else I can actually tell you about it. You've got your 2 electrodes on the back there, and it comes with some contact gel hair in a tube. You only need a very small amount. In fact, sometimes my husband don't even put any gel on at all. Just pop a little tiny dab there. It will give a better connect onto your arm, and that's basically it. That's all I can really say about this. We do have a laugh with it, me and my husband, because when he goes to bed at night, he says just gone off for his shock treatment. It's not really a big shock as such. It's just an electrical impulse in your arm to disturb you. If you want to call it your shock treatment, then by all means. This little watch has worked wonders for us. I'm not saying it's going to work for you, but I tell you, it's well worth a try, especially if you're having sleepless nights. Get one for your partner, give it a go. You might be well surprised. So basically that's it. I hope I've been of help to you, and good luck, and thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.